Hi friends, thank you for clicking this video. Welcome to my channel VSP Law channel. Today topic is that civil cases. What is the meaning of civil cases? Where to file? What relief is available under civil cases? And what next? These are the points we are going to discuss, friends. So before going to my appeal is that to like, share, subscribe, forward to your friends through the WhatsApp groups and support me. Friends, don't skip this video till the end of the video because in legal law videos, if you skip the video, then it is difficult to understand. Starting to ending, you have to keenly watch and try to understand. It is better to understand by seeing the total video. So, going to come to the topic, friends. Civil cases. What is the civil cases? Cases generally, number of types are their cases. Mainly, civil cases are criminal cases. Criminal cases in which only law and order affecting. In civil cases, only properties and personal rights affected. Cases which rights of the persons or properties affecting, that cases may be treated as a civil cases. Civil cases may be filed in civil courts only. In civil courts, the categories of civil courts: principal junior civil judge, senior civil judge, and district judge. These are the categories are there. So, what is the civil case? We learned meaning of the civil case. So, example of the civil cases is that land case is the civil case, and matrimonial cases is the civil cases, and divorce or DVC. DVC here is the 50% criminal, 50% civil, and accident, motor vehicle accident cases. These are the civil cases. Then special courts are there, friends, and there is a courts are there. OS. What is the OS? OS, original source. Under this code, you have to file the land cases and property cases. Property, there is a two types of property: movable property, variable property. Immovable property means fixed property, fixed assets. So, variable properties is the floating assets. It's a cash like that. So, all types of the properties cases is treated as a civil cases filed under original suit code. And come to the OP. What is the OP? Original petitions. So, under this, we are going to file the accident case, matrimonial cases, legal heirs case, and original nature cases. Okay, and next is the appeal suits. If you are not success in trial courts, then you can appeal that under appeal suits, right? Appeal courts. These are the courts. So, where the filing process. So, before going to filing process, we have to know the property details of the case. For example, if you are going to file a land case or injection case, then it is must necessary to know the market value of the property. Remember where the property is situated, then In that location, you have to file the case by the advocate only. For example, if the property is in one place, one location, in person is another location, in property location, they have to file the case only. Remember, and property valuation must be get from the concerned registered authority. So that form is a court purpose, market value. Basing on that, court fees will be decided, and jurisdiction will be court jurisdiction means whether it is comes under junior civil judge or senior civil judge or district judge. So this purpose, you have to get client party has to get the market value from the concerned area registration authority. Then come to the process filing the case. First of all, the first is the plaint. Here is called plaint. Before that, some point is that civil case filed by a person called plaintiff, against whom is filing the case called defendant. Remember, if the plaintiff plaintiff wants to get a interim relief, he can file the petition as a petitioner, against whom he is going to get a relief through the court of law, that is called a respondent. Clearly, plaintiff filing the case with the person, plaintiff and defendant. To whom? So, plaintiff, defendant, petitioner, respondent. Remember. So, if the trial court is not the case is not satisfied, then appeal. Those who are filing appeal, appellant, called appellant, and against whom the person is called respondent. These are the parties, names in court terminology. And come to the step by step plaint. First of all, plaint. Plaint, what is the meaning of plaint? This topic is we are going to discuss in next video, friends, clearly and detailed. Okay? So plaint, generally plaint, the cause, title, party, who is going to filing the case. For example, X is filing the case, X as a plaintiff. Y is that against whom the Y. Y is called a defendant. Cause title means parties' names, clearly parties' names. So next section, like that, contents of the brief facts of the case. Parties' name, remember, parties' address, clearly. Plaintiff address, defendant. So after that, brief facts of the case and court fees and affect how the property is affected by the defendant, that details, and court fee details and section and limitation, etc. And after that, what is signature? This is a plaint. Plaint affidavit. Affidavit must be given by the party, those who are filing the case. And then after affidavit, section 26. Next, if the party wants to interim relief, you can file the petition. That is called in civil IA, interpolatory application. You can file number of IAs as per subject requirement with the advocates only. And next is the another is called out of order. These are also be treated as IA. If the case is urgency, then the same day we will be hearing the numbering the case and hearing the case and get a interim relief on base of the merits of the case and with the available evidence. So next come to the list of documents. Remember, all originals or true copies must be filed. Land case or whatever cases. original registered documents, sale dates, and pahanis, and revenue documents, all documents, and market value, and legal notice, whatever it may be, totally available documents. If records is not available, then what is the position? Then file a petition to seek a permission from the court. This is a discretion of the court only. And then after process, under process category, we are going to issue the summons. Summons means a type of notice. Summons means giving the information to the defendant to come to the court and give the reply. Summons. And in petitions, we are going the notice. That passport we are going to file the process. In process, generally 33 rupees first copy, second 30. And after paying the court fee stocks, then process filed. And then after you can get the copies, set of copies, one for office, one for client, and one for defendants. Defendants is more than one, you can send copies. All copies must be sent to the defendants. Remember, register post must be attached, RP 25. So, remember, these are the sent by the only advocate. Then give the wakalat form. After getting the wakalat only, advocate giving a notice, then after filing the case, remember. So, next it will be where it is filed, court fee, remember. Court fee is as per property details, as per market value of the property. After paying the court fees, then you have to total from going for scrutiny. If it is scrutiny, okay, then it is a numbering. If it is out of order, the same day is numbering for a hearing. This problem, IA. And if it is not urgently required, then it will be take a time for decision. Where it is filed, nowadays e-court filing is there, and directly you can file it, e-court advocate, filing at e-courts, and get a acknowledgement, and thereafter it will be referred to the consent section, and where it is numbering, and if it is urgent, same day. It is not, next day. So these are the points. What we get, reliefs. If it is, if you filed a genuine document, original document, the court believes that there is a prima facie, then you are going to get a relief. So after getting the summons from the court, defendant can engage advocate, giving the wakalat, and then file a written statement, means it is answer and counter in petitions. First appearance is not required when the court will be given the time. Then within time, prescribed time, you have to file that. So after filing, WS by the defendant, then both parties on record. The trial will be started. This is general filing process. If the judgment is not favorable, you can have write a appeal at appellate court as appellate. These are the civil cases. So I hope that you can get satisfaction somewhat. You can like and share, subscribe, and forward to your friends through the WhatsApp page. Thank you for watching. Thank you, friends.